Welcome. Today we'll solve an integral involving hyperbolic functions. Let's look at our integral. To solve this, let's recall a fundamental hyperbolic identity. The difference of hyperbolic cosine squared and hyperbolic sine squared equals 1. Let's use this identity to simplify what's inside our integral. Looking at our integral, we can see that we're squaring the expression cosh²x minus sinh²x. This means our integral simplifies to the integral of 1 dx. And we know that the integral of 1 dx is simply x plus c, where c is our constant of integration. Let's verify this is correct by looking at the steps we took. First, we use the hyperbolic identity that cosh²x minus sinh² equals 1. Then, we recognize that we were squaring this expression in our integral, which gives us 1. Finally, we integrated 1 with respect to x to get x plus c. Therefore, our final answer is x plus c. Let's box our solution. And that's how we solve this hyperbolic integral. Remember, knowing your hyperbolic identities is key to solving these types of problems.